New developments are the engines of growth, driving economies forward. Scale AI has developed an innovative solution to automate most of the building permit review process with AI. Every development must follow local laws and regulations. Manual review of each permit is slow, manual and susceptible to human error. To tackle this problem, Scale has built a revolutionary multimodal AI system that analyzes all the raw building and site architectural drawings for a building permit application and in minutes completes all the necessary compliance checks. The AI system is made up of not one model but many vision and vision language models interconnected. First, a model breaks up a plan for a plot into tiles, like a floor, section or elevation plan for each building in the plot. Then, a model identifies the different floors of the building. Next, a model identifies each room via a process called masking. Then a model identifies the room boundaries. This is quite a complicated task, as there are hundreds of lines in a plan. A next set of models next identifies the measurement lines and extracts the room dimensions. This system can find the exact lines that make up boundaries and rooms in site plans at an accuracy of over 95%. Large language models out of the box are not accurate at visual analysis because the data is often noisy. In order to achieve such accuracy, Scale trained the models on thousands of architectural drawings. Leveraging this data led to one of the most novel innovations of this system. Here is a room, and as you can see, identifying which lines are a room boundary versus not are hard for even a human to do. Scale developed a groundbreaking methodology to train the model to go through a series of steps so it can correctly identify which lines are room boundaries and which ones are not from the hundreds of lines in a plan. Now that we have the data, we can move to the next step. The model checks whether the designs comply with the hundreds of possible regulations that are relevant for the particular building type and location. We can see all the regulations that passed and if any codes were not met and why. In this case, the blueprints propose a building that is 17 meters high and the height can only be 15 meters. Our model identifies this problem successfully. Then, the architect can iterate on the plans and create new blueprints that adhere to the codes. Let's use our comparison model to see if it detects the minor update. The original drawings had a dimension of 6.5 meters, and the updated drawings are 4.2 meters. Now, the building plans comply with the law, and the building height is under 15 meters. Today, it usually takes 4 back-and-forth cycles between the ministry and the developer for each application, each cycle taking up to 45 minutes. That's 3 hours. With this solution, the entire process will be completed in just 15 minutes. By using Scale's models, the review process is quicker and more accurate.